So it's Tuesday today. Last week we were working through all of the pleated skirts, and this week I am working on the star bags. Well, more star bags. I managed to source some really nice heavy cream satin fabric, and that version of the star bag sells really well. So I've been making them. I've one finished actually, so I'll grab that for you now. So here's one that I have already made. See, it's this lovely kind of creamy satin fabric. It's got this interesting design in it too. So I have enough of the fabric to make 10 of these in total. I've just got the one made, and then with everything else I've got it to a stage of the shape is cut out and I'm batch making, so I'm kind of doing it step by step. So what my plan is today is to probably just cut out all the fabric for the linings and add the pockets to that. I think if I get through that and then maybe work on making some of the straps for the bow ties, if I manage to get that done for 10, that will be a good day's work, because that's 10 linings, 10 pockets. Well, actually 20 linings, because there's 2 per bag. So 20 linings, 10 pockets, and then I will need 20 straps. So yeah, that's a lot to get done in a day, for me anyway. So that's going to be my plan for today, and probably this week is going to be a week of star bags for us. So yeah, I think we'll just jump into it. So I'll check back in with you in a while anyway. Cool, okay, bye. So I just filmed this whole thing already and then realised I had no sound on my camera, so I'm starting again. Yeah, I'm just giving you an update of where I am. So yesterday I only got as far as doing all the linings. For the bags I said I might be able to get the straps done, but I did not have enough time because the linings, like, they all have these pockets inside them. So I had to hand make the pockets, and then I have like these little buttons, and I have to hand make these bits for the buttons, I don't know if you can see, and then hand stitch the button on. So that all takes time, and I just kind of ran out of time, so I got as far as getting all the linings done. And today I'm going to do the straps for the bow tie, and if I have a bit more time I might work on the handle strap as well. That's the plan. Sometimes with the batch making it feels like I'm not actually getting anywhere because nothing's finalized or finished, but I think in the long term it is definitely better to, when I'm doing a full collection, to do it that way, because then each step is done. Anyway, we'll see how far we get. I'm going to come in over the weekend, so I've got today, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend, and that should be plenty of time to get the bags finished. So yeah, we're just going to have a day of doing that, cutting out the fabric, sewing all day. I don't need to use the overlocker, which is great. Actually, if anyone has any recommendations, I want some little noise cancelling things to put into my ears when I'm sewing, because I think it's a bit loud. So I think I saw that brand Loop. I don't know if anyone has any suggestions for something like that. Yeah, okay, so let's just jump into the day and I'll catch you in a bit. Okay. Wednesday today. Still getting on with the bags. The drop is on Friday, so I've got 2 days. Well, I've got today, Thursday, Friday to get it all done. So I'm going to give myself until tomorrow afternoon to finish that, and then I need to photograph everything tomorrow evening, and then it's a case of editing all the photos on Friday. By Friday I want to be just doing the editing part of thing, because that always takes so much longer than expected. The cream or plain colour ones tend to sell the fastest, so I'm hoping it was worth it, because it was just over 3 weeks worth of work to make 10 bags, which kind of seems crazy, but I don't like to do them too fast. I like to make sure they're done properly, and there's so many steps involved in each one, so that's just how long it takes me anyway to make them. Okay, so I'm too lazy to stand up, but yeah, there they are behind me. So that is, how many is that in total that's there? Okay, so there's 8 of them there, and I have another 2 on the table that I will add the straps to. And then when they're all at this stage, then I need to add the charms to each of them. So we'll get them all to this stage now. So I think I'll catch you up when I'm getting all the charms ready. So I'll see you in a bit. So it's a while later, and I've now made all of the charms. So they're like these little key rings with little fabric, like floral designs inside. And then I made these bows and added these kind of gemstones to them, and I put different ones on each bag. So I'll just show you all of them now. Okay, and this is me setting up my light box. This is what I use to do all my product photography. So I am just going to set it up, and then I will be shooting all my key rings and my charms and my star bags, and I will show you all of them. And then I like to do some kind of more styled photographs for each product online, and then I'll also use some of the content to make reels. So this is just an example of me doing that. And I made that lace skirt a while back out of a vintage tablecloth, and I thought it would look cute with the bags. So yeah. Okay, so that's going to be it for this week's studio vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in kind of slow and sustainable fashion, I make my weekly studio vlogs, and then I also do videos about thrifting and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it would be great to have you here on the channel. So thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.